Dumped out for Portis. Aldama got a fingernail on it and clears the board and draws a foul. And we may have another flagrant foul on Milwaukee. Technical foul on a Milwaukee Buck.
At the end of the day, these frustrations that have got, I mean, it's unnecessary play there by Bobby.
For a flagrant foul. There's also a technical foul that has been called on Portis as well after the foul.
Well, we go back to flagrant foul. Penalty one is unnecessary, certainly unnecessary.
I mean, it's an easy unnecessary flagrant one call. You see here, just to swipe down the rake of the arm, grab the jersey. I mean, look, man, you're going to have all type.
The ruling on the floor currently is also a transition take foul.
Scratches that Aldama suffered as a result of this. And even if it's not a flagrant foul penalty too, Brevin, I think we can agree it's a dirty play.